So finally, PixelOS is back after some time. With the March security patch, they skipped that, and with the February security patch, and now with the April security patch, it's been 2 months. Some things have been introduced, new things added, things have been fixed, and a lot more in this video. So stay tuned and make sure to watch this video till the end. This is PixelOS based on Android 13, and as I just mentioned, it is having the April security patch. So the new security patch officially available for some of the devices. If your device supports official version, go and check this out. One of the major changes and the big change which I found here is the launcher. No more Pixel Launcher, unfortunately. So if you are a fan of Pixel Launcher, if you love to use Pixel Launcher, sorry, you can't use that. We have Magisk module which you can install and use that launcher, like Pixel Launcher, but by default you will be able to use this Paranoid launcher, which is this. The name is Paranoid launcher. The launcher, which is from a Paranoid custom ROM AOSPA, includes some of the features you already know at a glance, which you can enable or disable. Google search bar is also available to enable or disable, so it's totally up to you. So if you need some customizations in the default launcher, then this launcher is a good choice for you. But if you're a fan of Pixel Launcher, unfortunately you can't use that without root. If you move on to some other options, we have some customizations included with this version, with this new update. You can customize icons if you want to. Some of the icon packs are available. Unfortunately, PUI, which is Pavlova UI, or Archers, if those two icon packs were there, I would say that would be great. But right now we have some few icon pack options are there, although some fonts options are included. These fonts look awesome. We have Linode fonts. Some of my favorite fonts are of course included, and you can also customize the icon shape. So in the terms of customizations, at least some things are included. So PixelOS is actually no more stock Pixel right now. Some of the features are included. It's totally up to you if you like this thing or not, but if you like this, I think so you will love to use this custom ROM on your device with this latest update. So these are the changes which I found, which are the major changes. And if I move on to another option, app locker is also introduced. So this is very good. If you move on to the more security options, stock lock options, you will be able to see we have the app locker. For that, of course, I need to set up a screen lock first, and then I will be able to use that. So let me just set my screen lock once, then I will show you that how is the app lock right now. If I go and check this thing, okay, this is how this protected apps. One thing if you're able to notice here, you can't lock the system app. So keep this thing in your mind. In the previous update, that the version which I shown you about Evolution XOS, if you watch that video, in Evolution XOS, you can even lock the system apps, but in this PixelOS, you can't do that. Network traffic indicator is also included in this version, so that's very good. It was available previously too, by the way. It's not a new thing, but yes, this is what we have. If you want to use this thing, you can. You don't need any separate app to enable network traffic monitor on your device. Also, in the sound and vibration options, you have the per app volume control, which is a very useful thing. I mostly use this feature on my device because that's necessary, especially whenever I use Paytm, so I need that. And if I move on to some display options, you'll be able to see data usage option is here, which is of course optional, and that ignore Windows secure flag. To be very honest, this is the major difference between PixelOS and Pixel Experience Custom. Other things are basically same, only few things here and there like app locker, etc. But the major difference which I found here is ignore Windows secure flag, which is present in PixelOS, but unfortunately it's not available in Pixel Experience. Only this is one of the reasons sometimes I use PixelOS instead of Pixel Experience. By the way, this custom also supports OTA, so yes, it's of course same like Pixel Experience. Both of these customs, OTA and OTA, is back with this new update. I will definitely try OTA once in my device in a custom ROM, so I'll share my experience at how is the OTA going on. I hadn't tried OTA ever, never ever in my life in a custom ROM, so I'm excited to try that if it is working fine and how the OTA update works in custom ROM. Other things are basically same, like gestures we can customize. Of course, we have this quick settings pull down. We have the options related to swipe to screenshot. We have the option related to navigation, and as you can see, the gestures are working perfectly fine. So these were the things available in this latest PixelOS. If you want to try it out, link is available in the description. This is it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.